The lights dim at London's O2 Arena. On stage, the bars of a prison cell stand before the crowd. Welcome back to Sonic Snap, your home for the biggest moments in dancehall. He paints the picture of prison life. Every prisoner shaking. Moments when he thought he wouldn't make it. Then he rises, from the cell, through the bars, and into the spotlight. The Worl Boss walks free. London erupts. And right there, Kartel drops the anthem, Money Pon Mi Mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss when Sonic Snap drops a new video.
And I was reading around that, and I was walking in the yard, and all the prisoners were shaking. And there were times I thought that I wouldn't make it. God has a plan for you. He has a plan for you. Let us work with him.
You